I'm taking you now to the Aligarh Muslim University campus over no holy diktat. This has caught the ire not just of the student groups but also the Hindu groups as well. Hindu students were seeking a permission for Holy Milan program at the AMU campus in Aligarh. Usually, remember, such events are organized at college premises, but they have been denied a permission. The AMU administration has clarified the stand of the permission sought by the students to celebrate the Holy Milan program in the AMU university premises. The administration saying no such permission can be given. No new tradition will be allowed to start here at the campus. Holi festival will be celebrated here. It's been going on for the past years as well. But BJP leader and former Mayor Shakuntala Bharti said that this is unacceptable about why the Holy Milan program is not being permitted, and that this is what they will raise. They are now claiming even Eid will not be allowed to be celebrated. Some protests have broken out as well. Karni Sena appears to have joined in as well over this. Let's listen into the reactions that are coming in. Tensions presently at the AMU campus. This is right in front of the campus. So we'll wait for the clarification from the administration as well. They're saying holy festivals are celebrated, have been over the years, but then why this Holy Milan program? Usually, remember, Holy Milan is this gathering where the students come together, they play with colors, flowers. It's a festive mood. Let's listen in, however, to the protests on the ground right now. What's happening?
देखिए एएमयू के छात्र अखिल कौशल द्वारा जो है यहाँ पर एएमयू में होली मिलन समारोह करने की अनुमति मांगी गई थी, जिसको एएमयू प्रशासन द्वारा नकार दिया गया था। जबकि मुस्लिम समुदाय के जितने भी पर्व होते हैं वहाँ बड़ा धूमधाम से मनाए जाते हैं, चाहे वो उर्स हो, चाहे वो अन्य कोई पर्व हो, ईद का हो, रोजा इफ्तार की तमाम पार्टियाँ एएमयू के अंदर चल रही हैं। तो इस तरीके से साफ साफ जाहिर होता है कि एएमयू प्रशासन मुस्लिम मानसिकता का शिकार है, हिंदू छात्रों के साथ वहाँ भेदभाव कर रहा है, विभिन्न तरीकों से हिंदू छात्रों का वहाँ उत्पीड़न भी किया जाता रहा है। पूर्व में हम लोग इस बात का विरोध कर चुके हैं और अभी ताजा घटना यह है कि हिंदू छात्र के द्वारा जो होली खेलने की परमिशन मांगी गई थी, होली मिलन करने की, उसका एएमयू प्रशासन द्वारा नकार जाना बिल्कुल उनकी मानसिकता को जाहिर करता है।
होली से संबंधित विशेष आयोजन के लिए प्रार्थना पत्र हमको मिला था, जो वाइस चांसलर को एड्रेस किया गया था, उसको हमने भेज दिया था। और उस संबंध में आपको बस हम इतना ही अवगत करा सकते हैं कि चूँकि वो एक विशेष आयोजन के लिए था और चूँकि यूनिवर्सिटी में कभी भी इस तरीके के आयोजन के लिए कोई परमिशन नहीं दी गई है, इसलिए यूनिवर्सिटी ने अपना स्टेटस को मेंटेन रखा है। और जहाँ तक कि होली की बात है, होली यूनिवर्सिटी में लड़के हमेशा से खेलते रहे हैं और खेलते रहेंगे। वो अपने हॉल के अंदर, अपने कमरों पे, अपने डिपार्टमेंट्स पे जैसे पिछले वर्षों में मनाते थे उसी तरीके से मनाते रहेंगे। लेकिन एक विशेष आयोजन के लिए विशेष जगह पर जो एक विशेष परमिशन की बात की गई थी, उसके पक्ष में यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं।
सेना द्वारा एक ज्ञापन दिया गया है, इसको तत्काल प्रेषित कराया जाएगा। क्या मांगी? इसमें होली के परिप्रेक्ष्य में परमिशन के संदर्भ में मांग की गई थी, तो विश्वविद्यालय प्रशासन को इससे अवगत करा दिया जाएगा।
So this is definitely taking communal overtones as well. It's after all a festival, a Holy Milan. Why is it not being permitted? Piyush Mishra is joining me for the latest on that. Piyush, what is the administration saying? Because it's an old historic university. I'm sure there have been other festivals also that are organized over the years. Tell us more. What is the situation on the ground right now?
Well, the situation is that the Hindu Sena group has reached there and they are also protesting Puja and demanding that the students must be allowed to organize Holy Milan Samaroh there inside the premises of Aligarh Muslim University. You would remember that this is not the first time that the students are asking for this. Earlier also they have been demanding for this, and before also we have seen sort of a controversy which is this case, but this time the Hindu groups are very much adamant and they are of the view that the permission should be given, though the administration has said that any kind of special permission for celebrating Holi in Aligarh Muslim University will not be given, and that is why we are also seeing how various group of students have come out and they are protesting against this. We'll have to wait and watch how the government is going to deal with this, because yes, it is certainly taking a communal color there in Aligarh Muslim University, where students who had earlier sought permission to celebrate Holi have now been denied, and they have requested for this to be celebrated on March 9th.
All right, Piyush, keep tracking the latest on that. So right now the situation appears to be under control, but you can see the police have also been deployed. The Hindu groups have joined in, like Karni Sena, asking why and how cannot be there a Holy Milan program. And this has led to a lot of tensions on the ground as well. Remember, AMU often has been, in the past few years, has been in controversy over different issues. We'll try and get more clarity from what the administration has to say. For now, the administration is saying that its stand is that this event cannot be organized. There's no such permission given because no new tradition will be allowed to start here at the campus. Holi festival will be celebrated. It has been going on for years.